Hi, I'm going to show you how to flash the Wi-Fi Pineapple over SSH. Most of the time you're going to want to flash it via the web interface, but you would use this for special circumstances, which for example, if you deleted a system file or a folder or messed up the settings on the Wi-Fi Pineapple and can't reach your web interface to flash it, this comes in real handy. So what you're going to need to download is WinSCP, Putty, and the upgrade.bin. I'll provide the links in the show notes so you can go ahead and download them. And right here, if you go to wifipineapple.com, it'll forward you it'll forward you to this GitHub website, and you can just go down here, the Mark IV firmware, and the latest upgrade.bin. Now here's my example. I recently deleted the Pineapple folder, which houses the web interface to control it, and when you go to it, there's no such file or directory. Since the flashing mechanism on it is via the web interface, I can't even reflash it. So like I said, SSH comes in real handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up WinSCP and we're going to run it. The portable version. You can install it if you want, but I like the portable one. The host name is 172.16.42.1, which is the IP address of your Wi-Fi Pineapple. The username is going to be root, and the password is pineapples are yummy if you already haven't changed it. And we're going to SCP, and we're going to log in. You may get this error. Don't worry about it, just click yes. Usually this only comes up when the first time you connect to it, or after you reflash it. You may get a groups error and a PWD. That's normal. So we're gonna, on the right side here is the files and directory structures of your Wi-Fi Pineapple, and the left side is your computer. So I'm gonna go to my downloads, and we're going to transfer this upgrade.bin over here. So we're gonna click on these two little dots with the up arrow on the folder to see all the root folders, and we're going to go to temp folder, TMP. Right here, we're just going to click and drag right into the Wi-Fi Pineapple, and we're going to copy. And wait for the transfer to complete. And there we go. The upgrade.bin file is in the temp directory. So now we're just going to open up Putty. And we're going to put the host name as the Wi-Fi Pineapple's IP address, 172.16.42.1. Make sure this is on SSH and open. You may get an error. It'll say warning security breach. If you get that, just click yes. Don't worry about that. Once you get here to this prompt, it'll say login as. You're going to log in as root. R-O-O-T, and the password is pineapples are yummy. And you should see open WRT. And you can see you're logged on via root at the Pineapple. So we're going to cd, which is change directory, space, /TMP/. And you can see now we're in the temp directory. We can ls for list all the files and folders, and you can see right here is the upgrade.bin. So what we're going to do is run the command sys upgrade. Okay, then we're going to do tac n is in Nancy, space tac v is in Victor, and we're going to do /TMP / the name of that upgrade.bin. So upgrade.bin. Now, as soon as you run this command, the Wi-Fi Pineapple is going to be flashed and it will restart. So wait a while and it should be up and running. So we're going to run the command, and it's sending the term processes. It'll kill all remaining processes, and it's doing all its stuff, and it should be flashing it right now. It may take a couple of minutes. Like I said, it'll restart. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back. Hi, I'm back. And my Wi-Fi Pineapple just restarted, and for some reason I've been seeing this happening. So it says right here, rebooting system, and it'll just pause right at that. So don't worry about it. Just look at your Wi-Fi Pineapple's lights. A couple of them should go off, And then as soon as all the lights turn back on, it should be up and running with the newly flashed firmware on it over SSH. So let's see if it's up and running. So I'm going to enter that in. And let's see if we can access. Yep, there we go. It may ask you for a username and password. Same thing again. Enter root as your username and password as pineapples are yummy, and you should be able to get in. As you can see, whew, I got my web interface back. So thanks for watching. If you like this video and other ones, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you later.